What's up, guys? I'm Destiny. I'm back with another Now 365 update where we jump into the Microsoft Admin Center and pull out some updates just for you. Today, we're going to be discussing the new Microsoft 365 backup. On here, you get the quick version from me, but on our weekly newsletter, you're going to find a PDF that looks like this where you can read about the full thing. So Microsoft 365 is going to start providing several backup options to ensure that your data is safe and secure as you work in different types of places. So here are some of the things that are going to be available for the backup setting. It's going to be the OneDrive backup. OneDrive is a cloud-based storage service that allows you to store and share files and folders. You can use OneDrive to back up your files and folders and access them from anywhere on any type of device. To back up your files and folders, you can simply drag and drop them into the OneDrive folder, and you can also use the OneDrive app to automatically back up your photos and videos from your mobile device. Next is going to be the Windows backup. Windows Backup is a built-in feature with Windows 10 that allows you to back up your files and folders to an external hard drive or on a network location. You can use Windows Backup to create a system image, which is a snapshot of your entire system, including the operating system, settings, and applications. And then lastly, it's going to be the Office 365 backup. Office 365 backup is a third-party backup solution that allows you to back up your Office 365 data, including emails, contacts, calendars, OneDrive files, and a lot more. But with Office 365 backup, you can restore your data in case of an accidental deletion, data corruption, or data loss scenarios, which happen more frequently than we know. It's really important to note that Microsoft 365 provides some levels of data protection, but it's not a substitute for comprehensive backup strategies. So it's always a good idea to keep a backup plan and not just rely on these three basics. Hope you guys found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey there! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for all the latest videos from Capital Presence.